With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, two identical blocks A and B of mass capital M each are kept on each other on a smooth horizontal plane. There exists friction between A and B. A bullet of mass M hit the lower block with velocity V and get embedded into it. The work done by the friction between A and B. So if you see, they both are identical block and they both are having mass M, right? And the bullet of mass small m get embedded into the lower block, right? So if you see here, this will be the diagram. These are the two identical blocks kept on each other, bullet of mass small m, and it get embedded into the lower block like this. So if you see here, if I write down initial momentum, it is this. Finally, they all will move with the same velocity. So I will write down, let's say their common velocity is v naught. So if I write down the momentum conservation, it is so if you see here, from here you will get this v naught is equals to mv by small m plus this. So as you got the velocity, you can just write down the work done by the friction is equals to change in kinetic energy of the block A, right? Because on the block A only friction force will act. If you draw the FBD in horizontal direction, only the friction force is acting, but on the block B there will be impact that will applied by this bullet will also acting. So if you see, this will be only friction force will be there on the block A. So from the work energy theorem, we can just write down that the work done by the friction force on the upper block, that is A, is equals to the work done by the friction force. So if you see, work done by the friction force is equals to, if you see, this is the final minus initial, right? So initial was 0. So you can just write down it will be half m v square. So it will be this square. So this will be the work done by the friction force between the two blocks and answer of this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.